Let's talk about the top 3 investment mistakes. I'm Lindsay Sparrow, and you can follow me at By the Latte or subscribe to my YouTube channel. The top 3 investment mistakes people make. Number 1, they don't invest their cash. So they sit on chunks of money in a bank account earning 0.5% or less, nothing most of the time. So the number 1 mistake is people are sitting on cash and they're not investing where they could be making somewhere between an average of 3% to 8% to 10% depending on how you're investing. The second mistake that people make is panicking and selling when the market is at a low point. Obviously, when you invest, you're supposed to be prepared to go through that market volatility, but until people actually experience it and have the anxiety going through a bad market, they often don't really know how they're going to respond. But the worst thing you could do is actually sell when the market is down. You always want to sell when the market is high. So if you can't handle that market fluctuation or you can't handle seeing your money go down, then you either need more education around investing, or you maybe need to start investing a little more conservative and then build yourself up to a point where you can handle market volatility. And when you go into more of a growth portfolio, that means you have more equity or more stocks in your portfolio. The more stocks you add, the more risk you're taking with your investments, and therefore you're going to see higher highs and lower lows. So that was number 2. You just don't want to sell when the market is low and only sell when the market is high. The third is being too overconfident. So overconfidence can be a disaster. So what tends to happen is if people invest and they have a really good year, they start to think that they are so good at investing that, they can predict what's going to happen next in the stock market. The reality is nobody knows what's going to happen next. Nobody knows. There's too many moving parts. There's governments, there's things happening globally, there's currency, there's all of these different things playing into what the stock market is doing. So if you think that you can predict what's going to happen next, I'm telling you, that's overconfidence and that's going to get you in trouble. So that's the 3 biggest mistakes that investors make. I'm Lindsay Sparrow. Remember, follow me at By the Latte and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also click below to download and access more really great tips on financial planning and other resources.